Hey everyone, it's Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I got an AliExpress package here that I'm gonna open, and it's some sunglasses. So this is my first attempt at buying sunglasses on AliExpress, so let's see how it goes. All right, so here's the package here. And usually a lot of the writing on the outside of the AliExpress package boxes is in Chinese. So it can be hard to know what it's saying. But this right here, as you can see, it says KINGSEVEN, which was the brand of the sunglasses that I know that I purchased. And then here there is a little description. It says black, gray lenses. So pretty sure that it is sunglasses. So let's open it up here. And if you're looking at the outside of the box, you can see right away the box is intact. It came pretty good condition, so I don't see anything that would indicate that there was damage to any of the items on the inside of the box. So I don't exactly recall when I ordered. I think I ordered these after my first video of the Mandalorian stickers. So these were ordered after, and they came pretty quick, I would say. Here we go, KINGSEVEN. Here's the KINGSEVEN box. KINGSEVEN design, eyewear, KINGSEVEN. Box looks like in decent shape. I mean, it's just a regular cardboard box, nothing special, but it's a nice presentation at least. So there's the box. Got over here. We've got this little KINGSEVEN guide here. Okay, it gives some instructions talking about how the sunglasses are polarized, which I always try to buy polarized sunglasses whenever I can because I prefer the way the look is and protecting my eyes. Here's a little case. It's not like it's an expensive case. It's definitely cheap. You can see there is a little bit of wear and things on the outside of the case a little bit, not like it's used, just it's not top quality. But getting a case from a pair of sunglasses that were really cheap is just a bonus in my opinion. Open this up. What do we have here? We got the sunglasses in the little bag. We have what looks to be a glasses cleaning cloth. And I'm not really sure what this is. Maybe a little bag for the glasses. We have, oh, okay. We have this little thing here. It says KINGSEVEN. And then on the back here, you can see if you look at this with your sunglasses, your polarized sunglasses, it's supposed to show you that they are indeed polarized. And they gave me a little extra trinket thing here. It looks like a keychain with a little teddy bear on it. So that's kind of cool. I don't have any real use for that, but maybe my wife will want it. So I can always give that to her. But that was a little extra added bonus. I did not pay extra for that. Just something that they threw in. Cool. Okay, let's look at these sunglasses. I think that's the step next. So they're in a little Ziploc bag. Bag opens up. There they are. They've got a little protective sleeve over them. KINGSEVEN. They got kind of a neat design on the inside there. This earpiece here has got like a little protective cover on it. All right. And there. And there are the sunglasses. not too bad, if you ask me. They have this little tag here. We can take this off. No reason to keep that, but it came with this little tag. Put that to the side. There are the sunglasses. Now, this little pouch. Let's see what's in here. Got a little case. So it's got like a little bag that you can put your sunglasses in, and then you can put it inside the case. So it's got 2 layers of protection there. Very nice. Again, a very inexpensive pair of sunglasses. Surprising to see it come with as many accessories as it does. This little thing here. Is a cleaning cloth for your sunglasses lenses. For this. So, very nice. Again, something that you wouldn't expect to get with a cheap pair of sunglasses. Now, just looking at the sunglasses, because all the extras are nice, but really, you want to make sure that these sunglasses are okay. They seem pretty rugged. They don't seem like they have any damage. There's little rubber stoppers here for the nose, or rests for the nose, which is nice. Again, I've bought cheap sunglasses at like Walmart or Target, and they don't have things like this. And they were more expensive. I'm talking about $10, $15 range, and they don't have things like this or come with cases or anything like that. They seem pretty durable. Now, so far, from what I can tell, I'm happy with these, but it's gonna come down to how they feel as well. So let's see, I'm gonna adjust my camera back up to me, and let's see how they feel. I like these. Yeah, I think these are pretty good. Look, oh yeah, you can tell now, using the polarized indicator, that yes, indeed, these are polarized. This is kind of a silly gimmick, but it's kind of interesting. You can wear the polarized glasses and the pattern changes, that's what it tells you. And they do, the pattern has changed. I can try to show you. Let's see if I can do this. You can see, you can't really read anything on there, but with the polarized sunglasses, you can kind of see that their logo is there, KINGSEVEN. So it is more visible and easy to see when you're actually wearing the sunglasses. I like these sunglasses. These are gonna be my new everyday sunglasses, I think. As soon as I need sunglasses and I can leave the house, it could be 5 weeks away, but that's okay. When I can, I'm going to be wearing these sunglasses. Cool. Well, again, I'll put all the information in the video of how much I paid for these, who I actually bought them from on AliExpress, because again, there's many different vendors of sunglasses on AliExpress. The brand name of these is the KINGSEVEN, and I'm actually very happy with my purchase. I think that the future of AliExpress is so bright, I need to wear sunglasses. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe, as I'm going to have more stuff coming out. In fact, I have another package that arrived that I'm going to make a video of next. So stick around for that. Subscribe, like, hit the bell. Thanks. I forgot to mention, if you like this video and subscribe, hit that bell icon, let me know in the comment section if you want, and I will send you a sticker. I'm getting more stickers in. I got Mandalorian stickers right now. I have more stickers coming. So if that's the case, let me know and I'll send you something. Thanks.